Welcome back to another stock analysis video with NLC Capital. In this video we're going to be live and we're going to be talking about where we think the market could be going and the future of the market near term. To start, we're going to be looking at this weekly chart, and the recent uptrend is you can't miss it, okay? I mean, it was something we talked about months ago, and it was just a beautiful uptrend. It is a little suspect though, since it did happen right smack in the middle of summer on very light volume. I mean, look at this volume over here. It does raise a red flag or a suspicious flag. It doesn't necessarily have to be a red flag, but it does make us question how valid, how strong this move is. So near term, we think prices may be gonna be neutral to bearish. Our reasoning for that is, if you look at this breakout above previous resistance, we're now kind of stalling. Our proprietary software is pointing to that uptrend, but as you can see, volatility is now, if you look at this band on the weekly, this band is starting to become more narrow, and that usually signals a change of trend. And when that happens on the weekly, that usually has a greater effect on the chart that we're looking at. So what you can see happen over the next few weeks is either we're going to trade a little bit higher, hit maybe 220, that's a psychological level, and we might come back down and test the 215 level again, which is now support, and that would be a very healthy signal of the trend, and that will tell us that this recent move is very real and it's something to pay attention to, and you should most likely go long the market and go long stocks like Facebook, Google, Amazon, very high growth stocks like that. And if we do look at the most recent price action, you can see this beautiful little uptrend that's been happening. Okay, and we are actually in a bit of a channel pattern, and it is our favorite pattern, and this could definitely send us higher. Again, this is on the 30-minute chart. If you pull up that 4-hour, you can see this a little bit better. And on the daily, it's not as evident, but you can see that was that leg higher we've seen over the past week, where all the markets made new highs. So our sentiment on the SPY is neutral to bearish. We think you could potentially see a little bit of a pullback before making another leg higher, but we do think you should be long this market. But if you want the best entries and exits, you should subscribe to our service or pay attention to our free trading videos like this. Thank you for watching. This has been another stock analysis video with NLC Capital. Make sure to follow us on all of our social medias, including Twitter and StockTwits, where we post free trades daily. Visit our website, www.nlccapital.com, where you can get access to those free trades and subscribe to our service, where we are up 75% this year.